How to set time limit on specific apps on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can set a time limit for a certain app on Android, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to set a time limit for an app, every Android phone comes with a feature on our settings application. So for this, first of all, try opening the settings application here. Now inside of your Android phone, you should look for settings such as digital well-being and parental controls. This should be available inside any Android phone that you're using. So it's available by default, so you don't have to download any sketchy app. So over here you can see digital well-being and parental controls. Now right over here you can see app timers. If you're using certain apps more than you'd like, you can set a timer to help manage your usage. So let's say you want to limit your YouTube usage to only 1 hour in 24 hours, which means 1 hour in a day, or maybe some of the other applications. You can select those applications here. Let's say YouTube. I'll tap on set timer. And now you can select YouTube or any of the other applications you prefer, which in this case I'm selecting only YouTube and tapping the set timer. I can set a timer to, let's say, 1 hour over here. So I'll just go ahead and select 00 here, and I'll just tap the done option. Once I've done that, I have set a timer for the YouTube app, which means I will not be able to use YouTube for more than 1 hour per day. And if you'd like to remove it, of course you can tap on it and you can just go ahead and remove the YouTube application from here and then just finish the changes, and that application will also of course get removed. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically set a time limit for certain apps on Android. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.